Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is the Skywell 1 gallon water bottle. Over here, as you can see, this is the information. If the English didn't come out smooth enough, so you can read yourself over here, and this is the bottle. So basically, this video is to review it or demonstrate it, to say some good thing about it and some negative thing about it. So let's go ahead and get into it. But first of all, this video is not sponsored by the seller or by the company, by anything or by anyone. So this is a product that I bought myself. So this box basically it comes inside another box, and then this is what comes inside right here. Of course, this one comes out there, and then two stainless steel cup and a straw and a bottle cleaner approach, the brush for this one, and then a straw brush to clean inside this one, a bag or pouch for this one. That way you can just, if you don't want to do this, use this one. And of course, to a strap, you can use it as a backpack. So that's what comes inside the kit over here. This is the kit. All right. To use this bag over here, you have to take this rubber off over here like that. If you leave this on there, will not go inside this bag over here because it makes the bottom one bigger and stickier. I say sticky, not stinky. So the bottle itself, it is very good. It keeps the water very cold. Um, The reason I got the 1 gallon one is because sometimes I work 12 hours and this be enough for me all day. Or when I work on my cars, I don't wanna come in and out inside the house, refill my smoke cup or stuff like that. So this one over here, I can fill it once in the morning and it will last a whole day. So this thing over here is very handy. I really like it. First time when it come in, this straw over here, it sticks out a lot over here. So like I had to like use my finger to push it down in order to shut it right here. But I cut this piece off over here and the end over here, and then I put this one back on there. So now I can just finish drinking it. Just push it some back like this and twist it down. So now it is perfect. So I really like it according to this the style, everything like that. I saw a review on Amazon. It's got like a like 1 star or no star at all. So it's like negative. So this customer was complaining about it's heavy. But duh, come on guys. Of course it's gonna be heavy. Think about it. It's a 1 gallon bottle and it's stainless steel. If you looking something very light, might as well use one of this plastic over here. If you gonna complain about how heavy this thing is. For my own opinion, this one over here is not heavy at all. Well, of course it's gonna be heavy. It's 1 gallon with water in it. Of course it's gonna be heavy. So if you see that negative review over there, that's wrong because this thing over here I think it is perfect size. It's not too heavy. It's just perfect to sit on the table like this at my work or on top of my toolbox. I just come like this and open up and drink it and then keep the mouth clean all the time. Okay, let's continue. I think I gotten too excited. I don't think you understood what I really was saying about this over here. But now let's go ahead switch to the bag. This bag over here is very nice. It's got like for you pin or whatever you tool, whatever you can put over here, and same thing on this side. And this bag over here, it is very good. This is a Samsung H7 right here. It's fit perfect. See, there's plenty room for another a bigger phone. So it is very good, and you can put your pin over here and you cash on this pocket over here. This is a zipper. There's another pocket right here, and over here you can put your bill for over here. A phone wouldn't fit because but a bill for it will fit in there. So you can put your money right here, your phone right here, your pin over here, and this strap over here is adjustable. You can use it as a backpack like this, and you can go hiking or whatever. All right, it's enough for the positive. It's time for the negative review. Okay, as I told you, this one it is very good in the quality, but I got some complaining to do. I paid $65 for this bottle. When you get what you pay, remember? So I paid $65 for this one, and this is what I've expected for. And this bag over here, it is nice, but over here it's coming apart already. As you can see, the thread over here, it's coming apart already. So it's gone bad. It won't last long if I keep using it. I was going to use this one. I've been using it, but the main bad thing about this thing, watch this. See that? What is that? Ta-da! So this is the big problem over here. Uh, I was going to make a video for this one in a way as a positive review, but instead I am doing positive and negative. As you can see this, I used it for 3 days, and the fourth day I was holding this one like this, and I realized that one hanging up and one hanging down like this. I was like, what's going on? So I turned back around. It took me about an hour to look for one of these pieces, and I found it. And next thing I know, the other one popped up as well. So there is no way to put this one back in here. It's because there is a screw from inside to twist this in there. Same thing on this side. As you can hear right here, they are inside. Even if they come out in this hole, but there is no way to screw it in. Let's just say you put this in like this and screw it from this side, and how in the world you can screw it in here as well? So I called Amazon. I usually do that. For example, this time, I call them if they give me a 50% off. So I mean, it'd be a fair price. That way I don't have to return it, all this process to return, all this time wasting. So I called them and they said they can't do that. So now I have to return this thing. So my plan, if they was going to take 50% off, I was going to find one long threaded like a screw or rod threaded on both sides or something like that, that I can screw it in here, or find a normal knot just to screw it on each side, and it will work as well. It will much stronger, but they didn't reduce the price, so why would I do something like that? Like I said, I call Amazon, and and I usually told them just to email me a label. Instead of giving me a barcode, they give me a QR code over here. This is the one over here. Which this one over here, you had to go to the UPS store, and from where I live here, the UPS store, it's 1 hour. So this is a big hustle. And the drop off box over here is about 15 minutes from me. So if they would have given me a label, I can just stick the label on the box, drop it off, and it's done. But instead, I had to take another trip or another day to go to UPS store and do all this process. It's a headache. So that's why I am so disappointed about this product or this process, taking time wasting, consuming much more money. I'm not trying to say bad things about the seller or the company. I'm just giving out a honest review. If you wanna buy it, buy it. If not, it's up to you. Because on the review on Amazon, I have not seen anybody complaining about this problem. Maybe just me. Maybe a defect product. Maybe this 1 out of 90 pieces, or one out of 100, something like that. Maybe I'm just a unlucky guy. I really like this thing. I wish this will stay in there, and I wish they gave me some money back, but they did not. So I am very disappointed. So I hope you understood what I said. I know I got excited too much or mad, about this stuff, and when I get excited, my English is start coming out like be fast, so I can't even understand myself sometimes. So but uh guys, I will appreciate you guys watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to share, like, or comment below what you think about it. Have you ever had one? Is it How long you had it? Is it good quality? But as you can see in my case, it's right here. So I'm doing my part, so please do your part. Put down a comment if yours is better than mine, or did not happen like this, or it doesn't look like this, stuff like that. So once again, I hope you learned anything about this product, and thank you for watching. Until next video, bye bye.